In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Wix DNS records. Understanding how to manage DNS settings is crucial if you're operating a website through Wix, especially when ensuring your domain points correctly to your site. This can help with various configurations, such as using an external domain or setting up email authenticity. So let's dive right in. First, head over to the Wix homepage by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Wix website. Once there, you'll arrive at your dashboard where all navigation will happen. Make sure you're logged into your Wix account, as access to settings will require your credentials. If you haven't logged in yet, take a moment to enter your details. Now that you're in, locate your profile icon on the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it. This is a gateway to all your personal settings and account details. From here, a drop-down menu will appear, giving you access to various options related to your Wix account. Once the drop-down menu is visible, the next step is to click on Account Settings. This option will redirect you to a page dedicated to managing every aspect of your account, from billing information to security settings. For our purpose today, we're particularly interested in domain management. With the account settings open, look for the Domains section. It's here that you'll find the tools needed to manage your domain names, including those important DNS settings. Clicking on Domains will bring up a list of all the domains associated with your account. Moving on, you have the option to purchase a new domain by clicking on Buy a New Domain Name. This could be useful if you're expanding your site presence or starting a new project. But for updating DNS, if you already have a domain through Wix or with a third-party provider, purchasing a new domain won't be necessary. Instead, locate and click on Connect a domain you already own. This handy feature allows you to use a domain registered with another provider, bringing it under Wix's management. This is crucial when you want to take advantage of Wix's site-building capabilities without transferring your domain registration. Both of these actions, whether buying a new domain or connecting an existing one, are facilitated here and provide streamlined processes for integrating your online presence using Wix's intuitive platform. While today's focus is on updating DNS records, understanding these domain options sets a foundation for better domain management. And that's it! You're now poised to manage your domain settings effectively through Wix. Keep exploring the platform for additional features or tools that can enhance your website's performance. Thank you for tuning in, and as always, happy site building.